Imagine an entire continent vanishing, not by war, not by natural disaster, but in one single second, wiped from existence. This isn't a movie, this isn't science fiction, this is the scenario scientists try to ignore for one reason: pure, unadulterated terror. Today, we reveal what happens when Mars, the red planet, meets our fragile blue planet. What is left? Will we be left? And what we discovered in the computer simulation changed our view of the cosmos forever. The impact isn't just a big boom. Think about it. Mars is over 7 times more massive than our moon. When it strikes Earth, the first thing that disappears isn't the ground. It's the atmosphere. It literally vaporizes. That thin layer that protects us from the vacuum of space is ripped away in a fraction of a second. Before you even feel the shock, you'd be exposed to outer space. That's if you were lucky. The main impact itself generates a shockwave traveling thousands of times the speed of sound. Imagine every mountain, every skyscraper, every solid thing you know, turning to liquid for a single terrifying moment. The very crust of the earth would ripple like water. But what no one ever expected was, what happens to the oceans? The impact isn't the end. It's the beginning of something much, much worse. The sheer energy released from the strike instantly turns our great oceans into a boiling frenzy. I'm not talking about warm water, but superheated steam that blankets the entire planet in a suffocating, scalding fog. And suddenly, Earth isn't spinning smoothly anymore. The colossal impact completely knocks our planet off its axis, changing its tilt forever. Our days could become infinitely longer, or perhaps we might lose our tilt altogether. Without that tilt, the 4 seasons vanish. The North Pole could become constantly hot, while the equator freezes solid. It's an impossible, apocalyptic climate unlike anything we can imagine. But something else, something even crazier, begins to form high up in space. Something we would never have seen without this disaster. The debris, massive amounts of shattered Martian and Earth rock, are blasted into orbit. It doesn't all fall back down. Instead, it coalesces to form a stunning, yet terrifying, new ring system. Around Earth, we wouldn't just have one moon. We'd have a dense system of rings, even more spectacular than Saturn's. But this beauty is deadly. That ring would shower our world with a relentless rain of burning meteorites for thousands of years. Every single day would be a small doomsday. Any life that survived on Earth wouldn't be on the surface, but deep underground, hiding from the constant bombardment. In a way, Mars wouldn't entirely destroy us. It would simply transform Earth into something else, a hellish, boiling planet, but with a new moon and spectacular rings. We would pay for that beauty with our own extinction. The Mars impact isn't the end of the world, it's a shattering system reset. It reminds us just how fragile this blue shield we live on really is. Everything from the air we breathe to the Earth's tilt that gives us seasons can be gone in a single cosmic moment. The takeaway: we are living on a cosmic chessboard where we don't control the rules. If you found this cosmic journey as mind-bending as I did, hit that like button. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the universe's greatest what-ifs. Thanks for watching.